I've arrived from London. No, I've arrived in this beautiful sculptured park. Look at all this. No graffiti, no nonsense. I've arrived from, where's London? A jungle. Arrived in Rustavi. What a beautiful place. Relax. Can't smell of anything like you would. What? Ooh, what's this? Magical stuff, folks. Magical stuff. Beautiful. There we have it. Beautiful flowers. Nice little old town. There we go. Love it. Beautiful. It's amazing. I love the churches. There's a lady. Beautiful. The monks, the Orthodox monks, always make these crosses, and they also give you a bracelet. Rustavi theatre, the old culture with art, theatre, play, story, act, cinema. Look at the state of these buildings now. And they're building these flimsy facades. Wow. Sadly. Look at this, folks. That would have been the Rustavi's theatre. Today, in dire straits. Look at this. Incredible, right? I just got a quick bus journey to get here, and look at this, folks. What an elaborated place. What they have done to a theater. Wow, what a shame. The main square here in Tbilisi. Oy, look at these. Beautiful. Art. There's an orchestra going on there. That's a conductor there. Wow. It's a flute, a violin. Beautiful. Look at this. Ron, are you going to conduct something? I'm going to conduct nothing. Look at all these beautiful bronze statues here. Wow. Let's do the gameplay. What a shame. Destroyed the arm. Look at this, folks. Somewhere they've taken the bronze statue, the arms off. What they have done here. Heritage buildings been smashed. This block here, look at this pipe going over the top. It's crazy, right? Look at the pipe work. There's a pipe work going over. See where I am. Rustavi city. Ooh. All those are going to